step into the enchanting world of West Java, where tradition and artistry converge in a spectacular celebration. In the heart of Bandung's Dago, artists from West Java Lengser Ambu community came together to stage an extraordinary parade. 1,347 participants, adorned in exquisite Lengser Ambu costumes and full makeup, brought history and culture to life. Lengser Ambu, once known as a friendly representative of a king, is now an integral tradition in Sundanese weddings. It symbolizes the warm welcome of the bride and groom. Each participant carries with them the grace and charm of a bygone era, celebrating the beauty of Sundanese culture. All thanks to the collaborative efforts of the West Java Ambu Lengser Community, Government of Bandung and PT Antpro Tobasa Indonesia. This extraordinary parade now shines in the pages of Asia Book of Records. This parade shows the living heritage of West Java and the splendor of tradition. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.